Newsega, founded in 1989, is a professional home textile supplier. The company covers an area of approximately 200,000 square meters, with modern production workshops spanning 220,000 square meters, a management and research and development center of 6,000 square meters, and employee apartments of 30,000 square meters. At present, the company has about 500 employees and over 1,000 sets of advanced international technology production equipment. With an annual production capability of 200 million meters of various fabrics and over 8 million sets of various quilts and bedding sets, Newsega is an intelligent factory that integrates the vertical industry chain, including gray fabric weaving, printing and dyeing, design and manufacturing. The company holds certifications for ISO International Management System, BSCI, SMETA, Scan Security, Global Recycled Standard, OECO Tech Standard 100. Moreover, the company has also passed social responsibility and safety certifications from renowned international corporates such as Walmart, Macy's, Kohl's, and Big Lots. In recent years, Newsega has continuously invested tens of millions of dollars in collaboration with domestic and international equipment research and development companies to install various types of automatic production machines. Currently, Newsega plans to comprehensively achieve standardization, automation, and information in product manufacturing. The company is also committed to advancing into the era of intelligent production by promoting automation in home textile production. With strong capabilities, comprehensive advanced equipment, and experienced production, Newsega has become one of the largest home textile manufacturers and exporters in China. Our products are exported to more than 30 countries and regions, including the United States, Canada, Europe, and Middle East. Through the excellent product quality and service, we have gained the trust of our customers.